What's going on, everybody? It's Dakota here for another video, and today we have a huge video for the Corvette. Number one, I just want to say, sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. Life has been kind of getting to me recently. I had to go through a lot of stuff, but thankfully I'm back here for regular uploads because number one, got a new job, which is going to really help out with doing stuff with the Corvette. We're going to plan on doing some stuff to Matt's car soon, since Christmas is coming up, you know what I mean? And it's going to be great. So, I mean, sorry for not uploading for a while, but everything's going to be okay now. So, as you can see by the skeleton in my trunk, we have a few plans for the Corvette today. We are going to be wrapping it for Halloween, and also I'm going to be doing a lot of maintenance on it that I kind of have been neglecting, so it's okay. In this video, I'll show you, for maintenance-wise, how to replace the cabin air filter, plus how to make it always smell good, and then also we're going to be changing out the clutch fluid in this car, so it is like pitch black. I need to replace it. But let's go ahead and get started with that. Number one, too, for the wrap on this car, I already went and I did the roof and the wheels in black because I originally had an idea for like a patrol car kind of deal, but I couldn't get the decals in time, so what I'm going to do instead is something completely different, which I think looks really cool, and I'll show you guys as soon as I get the parts that I need to get. But right now we need to go and try at least sanding down my headlights, because let me tell you, they look awful right now. So I'm going to try to at least buff them out, go get my clutch fluid, and then I'll see you guys when I get the parts. Alright everybody, so I just got back with all my parts and everything like that. Like I said, before I get into the wrap, I want to kind of restore my headlights, so these are how they used to look. Really bad, and then regardless I have to replace the lenses because they're starting to spider web, but I will say that's what they used to look like, and after a little bit of restoration, boom. I mean, for 20 bucks that's not bad at all. So I'm gonna do the other headlight, and then when the car, I already went and washed the car and everything like that too, so we're gonna go ahead and do the maintenance and then we'll start on the wrap. Alright guys, so now that my headlights are both done, I mean, I gotta say, for just a little bit of work, it looks really good. I should have done this sooner, but I've just been busy. But I still need to get new lenses because on the driver's side over there, it's okay, but it's better definitely for now. But as far as the maintenance side of things, I'm gonna start doing the cabin filter, and then in a minute we're gonna flush out the clutch fluid because it is super dirty. Speaking of the cabin filter, I don't know how long it's been since this thing has been replaced because it already looks super crusty. But for the Corvette on the C6, there's two little tabs right here above the battery. You just flip them open, and then you get your little cover, pop it down, slide it sideways, and then you have access to your filter. And you know, while we're here, let's go ahead and pull it out and see how bad it really, oh my god, really is. It always smelled really bad when I started my car, but damn. Yeah. Wash that out, kids. Alright, it looks alright in there. But, so we got a new filter, and then I saw this video. I want to see if it works. So apparently, if you go over to your local Walmart, go into the home, I guess, I don't know, whatever this is, items. But, yeah, you get this air freshener for your house filter right there. It's supposed to make your car smell like black ice. You put it on the filter, and you put it back in the car. And then we'll see how that smells. But let me replace this real quick and I'll let you know if it works. Everybody, so I just put the new filter in there with that little thing on top. Let me tell you, $7 at like Walmart or a little less. Please go buy it in your favorite scent, because not only does it smell more clear, it smells just like black ice, and I don't have to keep buying little trees. It smells super good to me, so definitely recommend. They have like a whole bunch of different scents, so that's just mine. Go get one, highly recommend it for that little hack. But for right now, let me show you, one, how bad it is, and then two, we're gonna go ahead and flush out the clutch fluid. Alright everybody, so here we are. This is my clutch fluid, and let me tell you, it's supposed to be clear. Ugh, that is just absolutely disgusting in there. It hasn't been changed in I don't even know how long, just like the cabin filter. But I mean, we're here now to take care of it, so you're gonna go ahead and get yourself a fluid extractor of some kind, and then something to put this old fluid in, and then .4 brake fluid. It has to be .4. Yes, I know you could use GM or other stuff like that, but I've read around, this will be just fine. I'm not gonna really track this car too much right now. It's just my daily, so pre-stone or whatever will be just fine. So what I'm gonna do to get started, I'm going to extract all this old fluid right here, and then I'm going to top it off with the new fluid. And then what you do from there, after you top it off, make sure you don't go above the max line. You get in your car, pump the clutch about 20 to 30 times, make sure the car is off, please, and then come back out here, and it'll probably look like this again. Repeat the process, keep filling, topping off, until your clutch fluid is clear. Do not do this with the car on, but we're gonna go ahead and get started right now. Alright Guys, so we are finished. I had to do this about 6-7 times because it was so dirty, but look in there now, it is all clear and it is good to go. Clutch actually feels a lot better just doing this, so I'm really excited to see how it drives on the street. So here we are, maintenance so far done on the car, because we already did the oil change earlier and all that good stuff. But I mean, I'm gonna do a little bit more, probably an intake soon, so we'll get around to that. I'll show you guys, but in the meantime, everything is all done with the car. I'm gonna give it a quick wipe down, and then we're actually gonna go ahead and get started on the wrap. Everybody, as you can see, that it's nighttime now. We've had a pretty busy day, so me and Matt went and we got the stuff to wrap the car, because we're just doing like I said, I was gonna do like a patrol car kind of theme at first, but you know, I couldn't get the decals in time, and I want to celebrate for Halloween, so we went with another option. Personally, I kind of think this one turned out way better. So we got Plasti Dip and some fake blood, and let me tell you guys, it came out a lot better than I thought. So, boom. Basically went ahead and made it look like the whole like zombie killer front end. We got the fake blood everywhere. Honestly, smear work came out pretty good. I mean, we had gloves, we mixed it with red and black just to smear it, and I mean, it's just to be able to come off, because I don't want to use like the actual fake blood. I'm gonna do that on the roof because I don't want the paint to get damaged, so this can just pressure wash right off. So I think it looks pretty good. And then let's see, for the back, had to get some advertising in there, so if you see us, give us a honk or something. I'm not sure, honestly. So I wrapped the roof for the patrol car thing, and I mean, it didn't come out as well as I thought, so I don't know if I should keep this on or not. Really debating, because it looks good. This is gonna get wrapped at some point, but for right now I'm just like, I don't know. But we're gonna take this to another location so we can do an actual photo shoot, and I'll show you guys then. Hey everybody, I'm out here on this abandoned back road just because, you know, it's Halloween, and here we go. So this is how the wrap looks fully done up. Love how the handprints came out and everything else with the car. I mean, it looks really good up close and from a distance. People have been taking pictures of this car non-stop, looking at it all freaked out, and I mean, it's just awesome the way everything turned out with it. Especially love the back, because I mean, I had just enough to get that little part done. Love it. Little handprint right there, and everything looks good. Also, for the rest of Halloween, I got a little co-pilot right here. I forgot to feed him, but I think he'll be alright. So I am really happy with how this came out, guys. I can't wait to start bringing this to some shows, and believe me, this is going to be on a lot of car shows, and I'm going to make a few more posts about it, hopefully a few more videos with the wrap. And then this is not the final wrap of the C6. I have a plan for next month with how I want to get this car wrapped up. Alright guys, so that's where we're going to go ahead and wrap up this video. Thank you for watching, and if you like the progress on the C6, help me out with a like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. Like I said in the beginning of the video, now I'm in a situation where I can finally start doing stuff to this car again with the wrap, performance parts, and then don't forget about Matt's car. We're going to be modifying that too. But for this month, I'm really happy that we got everything done. So again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.